Look at that piece of meat, huh? Is that gorgeous? Oh, come on. Skin on, you know? First, we gotta hit this with a little adult flavor. A shot of whiskey, huh? In fact, a couple of shots of whiskey. Don't be shy with this. We got plenty more where that came from. And what we're doing there, we're hitting with some flavor, and this will also help us color, okay, as we take over to the finished product on the barbecue.
Hey.
Hey, Miss Carrie. How about Miss Carrie? Round of applause from Carrie. All right, that sits room temperature for about 20 minutes. Let that soak in there. That's been patted dry. Because we got to add a rub to this right now. Gonna hit it again with a second flavor. Start out with a little sugar here. Does that look good, y'all?
Yum.
One more time. Beautiful. Some sweetness. How about another shot of sweetness? A little syrup, a little maple syrup. It's a good rub already, isn't it? How about a little salt?
What?
The brown sugar, the syrup, and the salt actually cures this piece of salmon right here with no heat. All right, how about a little shot of ginger?
Little shot of ginger.
You like some ginger? Some little heat here. Chili flakes. Hitting it with some serious flavor. How about some pepper now? Zesting a little lemon. Just taking that skin right off the top of that lemon there. Zested very nice. How about some thyme too, huh? Beautiful thyme.
Excellent.
All right. Stir this up. Bring this right over here. Just gonna pour some of this down right in here. Very nice. I'm gonna take this piece of salmon, lay it down meat side first. Make sure it's all nice and coated. Take the remaining, put it on top here. Put a little plastic wrap over the top of this, 5 hours in the fridge. That'll be infused with some serious flavor there. Jenny, you snuck up on me, didn't you? We rinsed this and patted it dry, because that has got to go to the grill, and we're fixing to smoke it. But first, we got to make a smoke pouch. This is what I'm going to do. 2 parts tin foil right there. Don't want any leakage. Now, this has been soaking for at least an hour. 2 parts wet apple wood. And this dry is going to act as a kindling here for you. It's going to infuse a really nice applewood flavor and smokiness right into this fish, because that's what we're going to do when we head over the grill with this beautiful smoke pouch. Little fork here. Aerate it, poke some holes into this. Folks, you just made yourself applewood smoke pouch. It's going to just caress this piece of fish when we go over the barbecue and smoke it up for us. That's where we're going next, to the barbecue. Come on. Oh, yeah. On the grill, boss. Got a piece of fish. Don't want to stick it on there. It's the last thing we want happening here. Now that's done. Indirect cooking we've got for you right here. Smoke pouch, right over the heat. Piece of fish, no heat. Look at that. Hey, we just need that pouch to do its thing. Give it a nice pop of flavor. Half an hour at 220 Fahrenheit, 110 Celsius. Just shut this down. Slide right back here. Check that out. Oh, is that not crazy? That is beautiful right there. Beautiful. Look at that coloring.